Yo, yo, yo. All right, so I have another cookie recipe for your holiday consumption. Now, we all know about ginger snaps, but these cinnamon snaps, new level, let me tell you. Now, little known fact about me, I love cinnamon. And by little known fact, I mean, anybody who knows me knows that I love cinnamon. And I practically put it in everything. My barbecue rub, cinnamon. My curry, cinnamon. Whipped cream, cinnamon. My eggs, cinnamon. My shampoo, cinnamon. An email, cinnamon. Oh, a hug, cinnamon. Everything, cinnamon. So, cinnamon snap cookies, they sound pretty good. Welcome to my kitchen. So, funny story about this recipe. So, I told you about Michelle, my good friend and colleague, and how she shared with me her holiday recipes, right? Yeah. So, she gave me a printed copy of the recipes. And as you can see here, here's the maple pecan cookies. And that's the ones that I made last week. Now, down here in the corner, you can see she crossed out this recipe because I guess she thought that I wouldn't want that recipe. But I looked at the title, and we all know my love for cinnamon. I was like, oh my God, bonus! So I made them, my life changed, and now it's time to change yours. Let's make them. All right, so in our mixing bowl, we're going to add 3/4 cup of shortening and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. We're just gonna cream these together until they're light and fluffy. Beautiful. Now we're gonna mix in 1 egg and 1/4 cup of molasses. All right, now in a separate large bowl, we're gonna add 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. We're just gonna whisk those until they're well combined and then set that aside. Now, once our wet ingredients are well combined, we're gonna add our dry ingredients in thirds. So we're gonna add the first third and mix well. Then we're gonna add the second third and mix well. And then add the last bit and mix until it's all well combined. Beautiful. Now, I also have some sugar here that I'm gonna mix in with some cinnamon, so we're gonna have like a cinnamon sugar coating. And I also have a baking sheet that I'm gonna place a baking mat on top of. And you can also use parchment paper. All right, so for the cookies, we're gonna just take about a tablespoon worth of the cookies, and we're gonna roll it into a ball. And then roll this in the cinnamon sugar mix. And we're gonna place this on our baking sheet. You wanna make sure they're about 2 inches apart. Perfect, and then these are going to bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Then I'm just gonna take them out, let them cool for about a minute or 2 on the pan, and then move them to a wiring rack to cool completely. And then you enjoy this cinnamon deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you're definitely gonna give these cookies a try, because you should, because there's cinnamon involved, and what your favorite spice is, as well as any of your favorite holiday cookies. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you much for being here, happy holidays, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.